Welcome guys, today I have for you a MicroView Spectra. This machine is a 110 machine. Comes equipped with the Q16 DRO up top. And it does have a couple light settings, profile and surface. So let's get to it. So we got the profile light right here, as you can see. Pretty sharp view right here. With the DRO, that works, as you can see. And then we also have the profile. Let's see if I get a better view. It's a little hard to see only because of the shadows that are going on in our warehouse. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. But it's showing off the quarter that I do have in here right now. As you can see, again, very nice view, looking at the whole quarter, seeing every imperfection. You could do the surface and profile at the same time, so you can look at both. And that's essentially it. Again, this is the MicroView Spectra. Thank you very much.